LA County imposed tough new restrictions today on anyone who has the virus or thinks they have it.
Yeah, the new mandatory orders have even affected their friends and family and could lead to quarantines for up to 2 weeks. Kick on 9's Leslie Marin is live in downtown with details on the county's new isolation order. Leslie.
Jeff, Susie, well, under this new order, people who do test positive for coronavirus will have to self-isolate. And also under this new order, people who come into close contact with those who are positive or presumed positive will also have to self-quarantine for 14 days. Tonight, we spoke to one man who talked about the challenges of having to self-isolate with his family still at home.
2 weeks ago, Monday? What day is it today?
It takes Lee Turnbull a minute to realize he just completed his 14 days in self-isolation.
All these days just feel like the same day, feel like the same day, feel like the same day. Yeah. So it wasn't until you've actually brought it up that the 14 days has actually been well and truly over.
Turnbull, a girls soccer coach and Long Beach resident, tested negative for the coronavirus. But since he still had all the symptoms and test results took over 9 days to come in, he was told to self-isolate, which is a difficult task in his small one-bedroom home that he shares with his beloved wife.
We live in a small one-bedroom, and it was difficult. I mean, we didn't have any physical contact, no hugs, nothing. Really trying to keep our distance, but it was also difficult, because it is such a small space.
But tonight, even more Angelinos may have to go through self-quarantine or isolation after the LA County health officer issued a new quarantine order today. Under the order, anyone who tests positive or is presumed to be positive with coronavirus must self-isolate at home for 7 days. And then they won't be able to leave until 72 hours after fever or symptoms subside. They must notify all close contacts and use their own bathroom. And if you are a family member, boyfriend, girlfriend, or close contact, you must also self-quarantine and stay at home for 14 days, even if you aren't tested.
We're asking every single resident in LA County to be prepared to isolate and/or to quarantine.
And if you ask Turnbull if the new order is the right move, although he's completed his round of isolation, he and his wife will still be staying at home.
To be honest, I think everybody should be treating everybody as if they have it.
So why is it a 14-day quarantine? Well, doctors say it takes about 14 days for symptoms to show up. Reporting live, Leslie Marin, KCAL 9 News.